Good morning, students. Welcome back to the geometry class. We are learning coordinate geometry, and in the previous sessions we have learned about distance formula and we have solved problem set 5.1 based on it. Okay, and today we are going to solve sums based on section formula and midpoint formula. So let's first see what is section formula and midpoint formula. Now here I have drawn one line segment AB, and this point P divides this segment in two parts. Which are the two parts? AP and PB. So you will write here in the figure AP is equal to 6 and PB is equal to 10. So if you find the ratio of AP upon PB, what you'll get? AP upon PB is equal to 6 upon 10, that is equal to 3 upon 5. Now let's see section formula. So here I have drawn XY plane, and in that XY plane I have considered line segment AB, and point P divides this line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. The coordinates of point A are x1, y1, and coordinates of point B are x2, y2, and the coordinates of P are x, y. And what you have to find out here? The coordinates of point P. So if you want to find the coordinates of point P or any point which divides the line segment in the given ratio, then you will use the section formula. So let's see the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio m is to n are given by, this is the formula for x coordinate, that is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. With this formula you can find x coordinate of point P, and then if you want to find the y coordinate, then you will use this formula my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So this is the formula to find the coordinates of the point which divides this line segment in this figure. Okay, now let's see what is the midpoint formula. So here I have drawn one line segment AB with the same coordinates. Point A have coordinates x1, y1, point B have coordinates x2, y2, and point P have coordinates x, y. But here this point P is at the center of this line segment. That means it is the midpoint of this line segment. That means it divides this line segment in two equal parts. AP is equal to PB. So what you can write here? If A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 are 2 points and P x, y is the midpoint of segment AB, then what will be the ratio of these two? Yes, m is to n. That is m is equal to n because both are equal. Therefore, the values of x and y can be written as, so if you want to find the coordinates of point P, then you will use section formula. So x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Now here m is equal to n, so you can substitute here. So instead of n, we are going to write m. So mx2 plus mx1 upon m plus m. Reason you will write as m is equal to n. So here you will get, if you take out m common, you will get x2 plus x1 upon m plus m is 2m. So here this m and this m you can cancel. So what are the remaining factors here? x2 plus x1 upon 2. So this is the formula for the coordinates of midpoint of a segment. By this formula you can find the x coordinate. Now let's see how to find the y coordinate. So y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is the section formula. So let's substitute here my2 plus my1 upon m plus m. Again the reason will be m is equal to n. So you will get here, take out m as a common factor. You will get m into y2 plus y1 upon 2m. Again here you can cancel this m and this m. So you will get here y2 plus y1 upon 2. So this will be your formula for y coordinate. Okay. Therefore, the coordinates of point P are x2 plus x1 upon 2 and y2 plus y1 upon 2. And this is also called as midpoint formula. Okay. I hope you all have understood two formulae we have learned today. Section formula and midpoint formula. Now let's try to solve problems based on these two formulas from practice set 5.2. First sum, find the coordinates of point P if P divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 2:3. So let's first start with the solution. Let point P have coordinates x, y. And suppose the coordinates of point A are x1, y1 and point B are x2, y2. Then what you will get here? Yes, x1 is equal to -1, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to -3. Now what we will write? Yes, ratio. Therefore, P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. It is given here. Therefore, m:n will become 2:3. Now by section formula, we will write together x and y coordinates. So here is the x coordinate. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. And this is the y coordinate. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now we are going to substitute the values of x and y. So here m is 2. So 2 into 4 plus n is 3. So 3 into -1 upon 2 plus 3. And in the y coordinate, m is again 2 into y2 is -3 plus 3 into y1 is 7 upon 2 plus 3. Now let's simplify this. You will get x is equal to 8 minus 3 upon 5. That is equal to 5 upon 5. So you will get x is equal to 1. Now let's see about the y coordinate. Y is equal to -6 plus 7 into 3 is 21 upon 5. Therefore, y is equal to -6 plus 21 is 15 upon 5. So you will get y is equal to 3. So these are the two coordinates, x and y coordinate of point P. So we will write here answer as P 1, 3 divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 2:3. So we got the coordinate of point P. Now let's move on to the next question. In each of the following examples, find the coordinates of point A which divides the segment PQ in the ratio A:B. First one, here 2 points are given to us, point P and point Q, and the ratio is A:B, that is equal to 2:1. Now observe this, here ratio is given as A:B. In the previous question it is given as m:n. So instead of m:n, we are going to write, instead of m we will write A and instead of n we will write B. So let's see. Let A has coordinate x, y. Suppose coordinates of point P are x1, y1 and point Q have coordinates x2, y2. Then x1 is equal to -3, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 1 and y2 is equal to -4. Now write the ratio here. Point A divides segment PQ in the ratio A:B. Therefore, A:B is equal to 2:1. By section formula, let's find out x and y coordinate together. So here x is equal to, now I told you instead of m what we will write? A, and instead of n we are going to write b. So ax2 plus bx1 upon a plus b, and y is equal to ay2 plus by1 upon a plus b. Now let's substitute the values here. You will get x is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 3 upon 2 plus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 2 minus 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 is 3. So that is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So that will be your x coordinate. Now let's see the y coordinate. Y is equal to 2 into minus 4 plus 1 into 7 upon 2 plus 1. That is equal to minus 8 plus 7 upon 3. That is nothing but minus 1 upon 3. So this will be your y coordinate. Now let's write down the final answer. Point A has coordinates minus 1 upon 3 as x coordinate and minus 1 upon 3 as y coordinates. So this way you have to write the answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Find the ratio in which point T divides the line segment joining points P and Q. Now here the coordinates of point T is given to us, and what you have to find? You have to find the ratio in which this point T divides the line segment. Okay. So let's write down. Let T has coordinates x, y. Suppose coordinates of point P are x1, y1 and of point Q are x2, y2. Then what you will have? x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 10, x2 is equal to 6, y2 is equal to minus 8, and x and y value is also known to us. So x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 6. Now to find the ratio only we are going to consider the x coordinates. So by section formula, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Now substitute the values here. Therefore, x coordinate is minus 1. So you have written minus 1 is equal to m into 6 plus n into minus 3 upon m plus n. Now cross multiply here. You will get minus 1 into m plus n, that is equal to 6m minus 3n. That is equal to minus m minus n, that is equal to 6m minus 3n. Now shift this m to this side and this 3n to other side. You will get 6m plus m is equal to 3n minus n. That is equal to 7m is equal to 2n. Therefore, m upon n is equal to 2 upon 7. So that will be your ratio. Therefore, m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. So your final answer is point T divides line segment PQ in the ratio 2 is to 7. Now let's see the summary of this session. In this session, we have learned section formula, the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joined by 2 points A, x1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m is to n are mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This formula you have to remember. Now then we have learned about the midpoint formula. The coordinates of midpoint of a line segment joining 2 distinct points which have coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 are x2 plus x1 upon 2 and y2 plus y1 upon 2. So this is the midpoint formula. Now let's see the assignment question. In each of the following examples, find the coordinates of point A which divides segment PQ in the ratio A is to B. So these are the 2 sub questions I have given you. You have to solve this with the help of section formula. With this, we will end this session here. We will meet in the next session, and in that session we will solve the remaining sums. Thanks for watching this video.